that I'm away and I want to get away from Kingston, but not go too far. I'm pretty close to Kingston, guys. Alright guys, so I'm in Garden Town and we are by the Miss Louise Bennett Coverley's statue. Well, the Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley. Let me put some respect on her name. I've never seen her up close, but she's actually quite nice. Hi Miss Lou. Wagwan.
How you do?
Wagwan. As you know, your girl definitely had to take a picture by the statue. Honey, I'm home! Hey guys, it's your girl Julie Beans and welcome back to another video. As you guessed it, I'm here at Pretty Close and I'm hanging with Ramo for today. I wanted to get away from Kingston for a little bit and just clear my head and just do something. I just didn't want to have to deal with the hustle and bustle of Kingston today. And I'm here now. Ramo will make some food for me. I think he's cooking ackee and saltfish and fish, rice and peas, fried plantain, everything that we like as Jamaicans. Wanna be here? What is it? So join me guys. Based on how I feel, I may just take a hike to check out the waterfalls. You know, I've been there already, but guess what? When it's so nice, you have to do it twice. So stay tuned guys. Don't forget to drop a comment, like up the video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop new content. So keep watching guys. So good to me. I come to it. Life. I don't have everything that I want or everything that I need, but I am blessed. I'm blessed. Going back in the water. Guys, you know, today is just one of those days that I really needed to just mentally recharge, and I decided that I'm gonna just take a drive and come up to Garden Town and just hang out, spend the day. I mean, I have to pick up the boys at about 3-4 o'clock today, but I thought, you know, I'm trying to be intentional for 2023, intentional in everything that I do, carrying through with whatever I decide that I'm going to do. A lot of times I've done videos and a lot of the videos I don't post because I just don't feel like them up to par. And I think I am my worst critic. I'm very hard on myself. I don't know, I can be so hard on myself, it's unreal. I support everybody else in everything that they are doing. I'm that friend. I'm that friend that you call for support. I'm a supportive friend, a supportive mother, a supportive daughter, a supportive sister, a supportive partner. And it's so funny, like when it comes to me and things that I want to achieve for myself, I'm filled with so much self-doubt sometimes that I really don't carry through, you know? And it's something that I have acknowledged and I'm working on it for 2023. I always laugh and I say, boy, I'm so happy that I do have a lot of friends. Because the way I pour into other people, if I had more friends than what I have, I really would be a shell of myself, you know? So I'm working on that for myself for this year. And just some encouragement to you guys out there. You cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot pour from an empty cup, you know? Support your friends and your family, but always remember that you have to be true to yourself also, and you know, believe in you and whatever you are trying to carry out. I appreciate everybody for the support that they have given my channel and things. I see you all and I really appreciate it. Food too ready, so I'm gonna eat shortly. Hi Ramo.
Morning.
Welcome.
Yeah, man, I do the thing, you know.
What you cook?
Fish, breadfruit, ackee and saltfish, callaloo, fried plantain.
Oh, how was your birthday? How was your birthday?
My birthday?
The birthday never gone the other day?
Yeah, man, birthday was great.
I never even tell you happy birthday.
Day by myself.
Blaze up the fire.
Yes,
Come on, what you say now?
We have fried fish here, the snapper, and we have some fresh plantain, ripe plantain, breadfruit, festival. We have ackee and saltfish, we have callaloo, and we have some hot oil.
You tell me say you have avocado, pear?
Yeah, see it here, man.
The pear look like it's a nice eating pear.
Everything. Everything.
Except hot oil.
Alright.
The way me feel for that food there from a long time.
Who may I serve first?
Serve my friend first.
How much breadfruit you want, my friend? Tell me, man. No, don't, not because you have video, you're free.
3.
Let them know say you crave. Yeah. How much breadfruit you want?
3 plantain, 3 breadfruit.
Okay.
1 festival. And a little tubs of ackee. And a little tubs of callaloo.
I don't understand how you say you're a Jamaican and you don't eat pear. You're not a real Jamaican. If you don't eat pear, you're not a real Jamaican. I'm sorry. They can't see through it.
The fish deserves a slice of pear.
Drop it in the comment section, guys, if you want to eat pear. AKA avocado. Yeah. May as well taste it. Look how the ackee look good.
Yes?
The ackee are ola.
That? I want more.
A little bit more. And it look like red ring you cook the ackee with. But I know you're not cooking a red ring, guys. I know.
You want callaloo?
Yes, please. Callaloo.
Yes, or more.
That good. Alright.
Plantain.
And then the plantain. I feel my mouth to salivate. Thank you, Ramo.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
You made my day. Thank you.
Bamboo this, right?
I'm excited. Look at my food. Oh, look at my food, guys. Look at this. Oh, shooks. Alright, guys. So, I got my food. And I dance. Hey, you know, say, when the food nice, I dance. Trust me. I've been looking forward to this food. Feel long time. Food, eh?
Nice. Daddy used to bring home a lot of pear from the country, create and pear.
to take out bulla, bring to school, guys. I eat bulla and pear at school for my lunch. Save my lunch money. On Friday, day, I go over KFC for register across from St. Richard's and buy my KFC. I'm eating bulla and pear for my lunch. And sometimes I take my money, 20 cents, I'm going to buy veggie bun. Remember veggie bun? Nutri bun and milk. We should buy that for my lunch sometime. I eat it with a pear and save my lunch money. Yep. Alright guys, I'm gonna focus on finish eating my food. So keep watching guys. So I'm finished eating, like, yeah, 1 eternity later, and some people still eat. Yeah, so anyway, today was a good day guys. I had a really I'm really happy that I decided to just take the drive here. And yeah, I'm trying to leave here. We're gonna leave here shortly because we're trying to beat the rain because it's very overcast. And I'm happy I came out early so I could get some sunshine in, get my vitamin D in and stuff, you know. It was a really good day. Now if you like content like this, be sure to drop it in the comment section. Like up my video guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post more content. Once again guys, thank you all for watching and stay tuned.